Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to add payment method on Temu. So to start, open Temu. Next, click on U at the bottom center. Next, click on Settings at the top right beside the headphone icon. Then from here, scroll down and look for your payment methods. Then tap on it. Then here, so you should see add a credit or debit card. So click on that, the orange one. Then from here, you can then add your card number. You can also scan it. So click scan card and click on allow. Then position your card in the frame. Now once done, just click on add your card and that's it. It will be added as your payment method. So again, just go to U at the bottom center, then go to settings icon. Then once you're on settings, methods, then select add a credit or debit card, the orange one or the orange button. Then in here, add your card number, expiration date, and CVV, and click add your card. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.